Okay, we'll just go over to the VMR3 virtual trainer.
Thank you, Malcolm. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul Curtis. I'm the product line manager from Cobham in the UK, who supply the Minehound dual sensor metal detector and ground penetrating radar. So I just wanted to talk to you this afternoon about our virtual trainer that we've brought with us. It's over on your right-hand side. I'll direct your attention to that in a moment, but we'll just go through the slide. So the beauty of a virtual trainer is that you don't need the actual mine detector in your hands. It's an expensive asset. It may not be where you are. Neither do you need a training lane. A lane where you've prepared, you've removed false alarms, you've buried IEDs and anti-personnel mines. With the virtual trainer, we can customize as well. So, if you had a new IED that's becoming part of the threat set, we can obviously change the environment to cope with that. So I'll just talk you through what the virtual trainer is physically. So on the left-hand side of the slide, you'll see a number of physical real-world items. The first is a headset that you put on, and then you're in a fully immersed environment. The second is a backpack computer that runs the environment that generates the visuals, the computer game almost. There's then a copy of the Minehound. It does not have to be the actual Minehound. It could be a space model. And then there's a separate computer which allows the person delivering the training to control the environment. On the right-hand side of the slide, there's two visuals there. The visual at the top is what the student sees. So as you look through the virtual headset that you're wearing, you're looking at the environment. You're seeing in front of you a training lane, for example, a typical environment that is maybe a sort of an urban or rural bit of Afghanistan or Mali. The bottom image on the right-hand side is a visual of what the person delivering the training sees. So that's their configuration screen, where they can place mines or IEDs, change the depth of them, and change the location of them. The beauty of this system is that you can get training indications, training data. You can train anywhere. So that's the virtual trainer. I'd invite you to come over during the breaks and have a go. Have a go at using Minehound to detect mines and IEDs. I'll just direct your attention, if I may, to your right-hand side. So you can see on the large screen, my colleague Scott is currently searching with a Minehound. You can see the pattern he's tracing out. So on the ground, the white image is like a coverage indicator. So it's showing where the sensor has covered the ground. And you can see the detector moving in the virtual environment. Once you put the headset on, you're inside that environment. And I'd encourage you to please to come over and try that. Thank you.